Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. Your Kannada teacher is here with a new CVC blend words. Yes, in this video we are going to learn when vowel A blends with consonant M. It makes a sound a, am. Okay, and here are some words with me where these CVC words come, that is am comes. Okay, and here are some different consonants. So these words are having CVC form, that is consonant vowel consonant form. And here the each and every letter makes a different sound, correct? So just go through these words. First do practice of pronouncing am, am, am. Repeat after me, am. Okay, and just pronounce the first consonant b, am, bam, and blend with these sounds. Yes, that is b, am, bam. Okay, the next one is d, am, dam. The another one is h, am, ham. Okay, the next one is r, am, ram. The next one is y, am, yam, yam. Okay, in this way you can read these words. Yes, do practice of this. Thank you.